Hi friends, this is chapter number 10 and the topic is Lewis concept of acids and bases. The learning objective of this topic is what are Lewis acids, what are Lewis bases and how adduct formation takes place. So Lewis acid. J.N. Lewis in 1923 proposed a more general concept of acids and bases. According to him, an acid is a substance, molecule or ion which can accept a pair of electrons. Now a substance can be a molecule or it can be an ion. It depends whether a combination reaction taking place or a decomposition reaction takes place. So here in example, boron trifluoride is acting as an acid. As we all know that boron belongs to group number 13. So it has 3 electrons in its outermost shell. Now every atom wants to get stable. Every atom wants to complete its octet rule. So same in the way, boron also wants to complete its octet rule. So here boron forms a bond with 3 fluorines. Each fluorine will donate its 1 electron. Now the boron has 6 electrons, but it wants 8 electrons. So 2 more are required. These 2 electrons are given by ammonia. Basically these 2 electrons are given by nitrogen. As we know that nitrogen belongs to group number 15. So it has 5 electrons in its outermost shell. So here these 2 electrons are given to boron trifluoride and boron trifluoride will accept this pair of electron. So in this case boron trifluoride is acting as an acid. In the result, an adduct formation takes place. Adduct formation is shown by square brackets, and a sign of arrow indicates that a pair of electron is donated by bases and accepted by acids. In this slide, we will talk about Lewis base. A Lewis base is a substance, molecule or ion, which can donate a pair of electrons. As in this case, nitrogen in ammonia is acting as a Lewis base. Here it is donating its electrons to hydrogen. Now we are taking H positive, not hydrogen gas. H positive is an ion. We know that hydrogen has atomic number 1, and if we talk about H positive, so it means it has loses its 1 electron. Now its S subshell is vacant. So to complete its duplet rule, it can easily accept a pair of electron from ammonia. So here H positive is acting as an acid and ammonia is acting as an base. The sign of arrow and the arrowhead is showing that hydrogen positive, H positive is accepting and ammonia is giving. So as ammonia is giving, it will act as a base. The sign of H positive now will be the sign of hole adduct formation. So the product of any Lewis acid base reaction in a single species called an adduct. Now here are some examples of Lewis acids. Molecules in which the central atom has incomplete octet, for example, boron trifluoride, aluminium trifluoride, aluminium trichloride, and iron trichloride. The central atoms have only 6 electrons around them. So therefore, these can accept an electron pair. For example, in case of aluminium trichloride, aluminium belongs to group number 13. It has 3 electrons in its outermost shell. It will get 3 electrons from chlorine, 1 electron from each chlorine. So now in totality it has 6 electrons, and the remaining 2 electrons or a pair of electron will come from Lewis base. Similarly, simple cations can act as Lewis acids, but all cations can never act as Lewis acids. Like if we talk about group number 1 and group number 2, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium, magnesium, all these elements belongs to group number 1 and group number 2. They are electropositive elements and they have a large electronegativity difference with nonmetals. So they never able to form a covalent bond. They can never able to form a coordinate covalent bond with nonmetals. While if we talk about group number 13, it has less electronegativity difference with Lewis bases. So they are able to accept electron and can act as Lewis acids. So the cations like H positive, silver ions have greater electron accepting tendency. They can act as Lewis acids. And if we talk about Lewis bases, neutral species having at least one lone pair of electrons, for example ammonia, amines, alcohols. As in case of alcohol, oxygen has 2 lone pair of electrons, so it can act as Lewis base. And negatively charged species or anions, for example chloride, cyanide, hydroxide ions, they can also act as Lewis bases. So Lewis acids are those substances which able to accept electrons, and Lewis bases are those substances which are able to donate electrons. Thank you so much.